All right, let's do it. Number 15. Moving right along. So I'm going to come in. We're going to make a new component. It's going to be called Problem 15. Problem 15. We're going to make Problem 14 invisible. And we'll go to Problem 15. I'm going to draw it from the front face. This one's a little trickier with how I want to do this. I'm going to start with that 8x5 box that we've been doing. But there's a lot more going on here than that 8x5 box. I'm actually going to put another box right here. This might have actually been better to do it this way. A box that's 3 by 3, right in that top corner. And then this whole bottom face should have been a box. So it might have been easier to do it like this. And then what we're going to have to do is some fillets and rounds. So I'm going to fillet this edge right here and this edge right here, and that should be, I think, 2. Nope, 2's too much, so we're going to do 1. 1's not enough, so it's going to be 1.5 because it's going to make a nice round. See that? And then we're going to have to do the same thing here. Or is it 1 there? That's what we got to ask ourselves looking at the image. And I think it's 1 there, so we're going to actually unclick this face right here and see if we can bring that one in. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm just going to apply to this one, and then I'm going to do a round here, and I believe this one's only going to be 1. And that looks just about perfect. So we had the 1.5 for these two, and then the 1. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. And I'm just going to grab this whole big thing here, and it's going to go back -4. I kind of blew it there. I should have put a hole in the center, but I think I'm going to be able to reuse that point to possibly make a hole in the center. So let's see if I can get away with that. Be a little bit slick. Hole, and let's see if it's going to let me grab that. Oh, it did. It did. So I can make a simple hole. This hole looks like it's like about a 1.25, maybe 1.5. We're going to go with 1.25. So diameter 1.25. 1.25. And it's going to go through all. So that saves us a step there. Okie dokie. And now we've got some other stuff to do. So I got to cut here down and cut a groove through there up. So that's like 2 sketches. I'm going to do it on this face. I'll start doing the sketch right here. It doesn't really matter where I put it as long as it hits this back edge. So I'm just going to get this back edge. I'm going to draw it out. Like I said, it doesn't matter necessarily how long it is. What's more important is that it is too wide and it goes through this area. So as long as it's long enough to go through that area, we're good. And then we're going to get that corner, and it should be 1 from that corner. I can hit Finish Sketch, and then I can extrude. Let's grab both of them just to make sure. Straight up, cut it. So I went straight up to cut. We've cut it out. So that's those, and then I got to do the slice right here. So I'm just going to do that in another sketch. This time I will rotate the object because I want to make sure my orientation is 100% correct. So I'm going to rotate, and after rotating there, I'm going to draw a triangle. Make sure I close it in so I have a closed box I can extrude. And then I just have to count how many I got here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means from the other side it's 3. Oh dear, that is not what I wanted at all. Well, sometimes something happens that you don't expect that you just gotta fix. So I'm gonna draw another line here to make sure that line's good. And let's see if something crazy like that happens again. Nope. Alrighty. And then we got this line here, and that should be 3 as well. I'm gonna finish sketch. I'm gonna go click on the little house, and I will extrude straight down. And there you have it, number 15. Alrighty. Good luck to you.